What's up guys? So today we are actually back again with how to create a political flyer part 2. Yes, part 2 of how to create a political flyer. Last week I released one and it was a speed work, but this time around I'm going to take my time to break every single step down on how to create this political flyer, from the background to the text to all the effects that you can add to your images to make it stand out. Alright, so without much ado, let's get right into the video. So I have my background selected, the size selected. It is 10 by 11 inches. I always like working in inches because I normally post my works on Instagram. Okay, right, so first of all, let's create a rectangle on this size here, and then actually choose any deeper color, black or anything. Let me choose any color like this, any deeper color. Alright, now when you're done with this, you can create a gradient overlay on this thing. So the first color you choose black, and then let me delete this side. Then the second color, I came to something like green, this green type of feel. I think this okay. Now when you look at the thumbnail, you could see that there is this kind of texture in the background, so let me add it quickly. So I'm coming. Yes, I have this texture here, right here, my downloads. Yes, so this is the texture. So let me scale it to fit. So I think like so it's good. Okay, so you set it to screen and decrease opacity to, let's say, 20 or 19. Any of them is okay. Okay, good. We are good to go. Now you can see that this part is writing too much, and there is this thing that we mostly do when we are working on something like this. And you want the background to look a little deeper. I can't make it is a gradient, so I can't make this side also deep. So what I'll do is, I have this thing called Spotlight. Shout out to RBJ, I got this thing from him. So let me place this. I'm coming. Look for this Spotlight. Yes, this is the Spotlight I'm talking about. So automatically you can see the kind of feel is giving the flyer right now. So it will give it this kind of darker look. Let me block the backgrounds. Okay, so that is how we come about with the background. Now let's add our image for today. Okay, so think this is the guy. Yes. So now there is this trick I've been doing to actually remove backgrounds in simple step. So what the first thing you have to do is, with the image selected, you come to the property panel, the layer panel, and then you right click, and then you have all your option, blending option, duplicate, you come to rasterize layer. So you rasterize it, and then you come to the property panel. Then you see remove background, select subject, view more. So you just click on remove background, and voila. Yes, so we have the background removed. Okay, so now there are some people who also don't know how to just change the image to the other side, the way it's facing. I don't really like it, so I just have to Control T and then come to flip horizontal. Yes, and this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'll just scale this guy here, and then his standing position is a bit off for me. Yes, so rotate it to fit the design. Alright, so we are good to go. Okay, so there is this thing you can do to add more look, like make this image look very bright. So you come to this camera raw filter here, and come to camera raw filters. Alright, and then there. Okay, so you just increase the exposure, the contrast a little, then just come straight to texture and increase it, and then let me reduce the exposure a little, and then click on OK. Yes. Alright, so yeah, I also created some image in the background. I blended his head in the background, so let me just select this part of his head, right click and cut. Okay, so let me clear the other parts. Alright, so with this head, I just come back to my property panel, and you have remove background, so you just click on it, and I need to take off the white from there. Yes. Okay, so I want to flip it to the other side, so Control T, right click and choose flip horizontal. Alright, then we are good to go. So I'll just clean parts of the head, the neck from there. Yes, so just clean parts from there like so, like we are good to go. So increase it to any size that you want. It's a personal preference. Alright, okay, so you come to the blending options and choose overlay. I think soft light is okay, and then you decrease the opacity to any, think 25 or 29 or 30 is okay. Okay, so let me lock that one too. Yes, so guys, that is how come we can get a background and then the image selected. Alright, so let's come to our text. Now there is this font that I've been using for quite some time now, and it's called Stretch Sans. You can get it on that font or 101 font. Okay, so let me type his name here real quick. It's called Erico. Yeah. So let me align his name here like so. Okay, yeah. So Erico. Let me align it up. Okay. Now there is this effect. I won't call it. It's not too much of an effect, but you can duplicate this same name, and then you lock the first one, select the second one, and then you scale it inside a little bit like so, and scale this one too a little bit like so, and then okay, and then choose a different color, like I think this will do. Yes, so you can see the effects in the text. It's way too much, so I'll just have to, yes, I think something like this is okay. All right, okay, so it's going for UCC treasurer. Yes, so I'll just create a rectangle here, like so. Yes, and then duplicate the rectangle. I want to create the same type of effect behind the other rectangle, so I'll just bring the yellow one behind this one like so, and then shift it up a little. Okay, now I'll use the same font to type UCC SRC, and then reduce it. Yes, like so, and then duplicate and drag it down like so, and type treasure. Okay, yes, so let me just scale it like so. Yes, so, and then we are good to go. So let me adjust this rectangle a little to host my text. Yes, so let me adjust it a little bit. Okay, cool, we are done. Alright, so that is it for the text. And then let me change this color to, let me pick the color for the other rectangle like so. It's a personal preference, you can choose to maintain it like that. Okay, so there is this other thing that I've been doing too, and it's kind of cool. I'll just pick the text like this and duplicate it, drag it like this, and rotate it. So when you rotate, set the rotation to -90. Yes, and then bring it behind the image. Yes, and then scale it like so. Yeah, if you like, you can choose a color, a different color, or you can maintain it. That one too is a personal preference, so let me lock that one too here. All right, and then I think I have the alt tags. You know, all universities, they have their own alt tags. Yeah, so we just come and look for the alt tags. Let me just search for it. Oh shit. Let me look for the alt tags. Yeah, I have them here. Okay, so just bring them in front of the guy like so. Yes, so just decrease it a little bit here. Let me shape this guy to the top little like so. we are good to go. Yes, and then let me drag the alt tags, and then center align them. All right, yes, and then he's having an hashtag which says into a super. Yes, into a super. Yeah. So just comment right here, hopeful 2022. Let me just 2022, yeah, and then scale it down like so, yeah, like so, and then duplicate it and write the hashtag into a super. Yeah, so let me increase that a little bit and select the hopeful and enter super, and then adjust them. Well, all right, now with the text and everything in place, I can just choose to yes, so we are good to go. All right, so guys, that's all for today. I don't want the video to be long. Kindly subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I'll be adding more videos in the course of the week. Bye bye.